Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to manage the bot timing in Whatsjet. Let's get started. Bot timing helps manage resources better, keep users happy, balance workloads, and control when bots are active. Let's see how it works. Here, select the AI bot and bot settings. To restrict the bot's availability to a specific time, toggle the Enable Bot Timing Restrictions switch. Choose the daily start time and daily end time for the bot, and don't forget to select your preferred time zone. Enable the bots you want to apply the timing restrictions, and click on the Save button. Once the bot timing restrictions switches on, it will only apply to the selected bot types. Bots that are not selected will continue to function normally without any time restrictions. Here, you can see that the selected bots will operate only during the specified restricted period. After the restricted time period has passed, the selected bots will stop functioning and will not be available until the next scheduled time. If you don't want to apply bot timing restrictions, simply leave the option disabled, and your bots will function all the time without any time limitations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.